conservative little kid. Most people would be going nuts right now. All right, ready? Go. Yeah.
Hand launching.
Let's just try formation first.
Yeah, let's just do formation.
And then if we can get some wing tips. That was very close.
That was close.
I'm going slow. I'm barely even moving.
I'm like a quarter throttle.
Me too.
Are you a better follower?
Yes, but we're good right now. We're good now.
These things do not track straight.
That's why you
my
become a better pilot flying these.
It's just old. My airframe is just.
Mine's freaking older than yours. Jeez,
yeah,
mine's horrible.
Yours is like some
Wiggly EPP foam. My favorite way to take out is just to flip with the wing.
Oh, go under?
Yeah, and
I'm just gonna... let's at least get a little
oh, let's get out of Jack's way.
Is Jack landing?
No, I just didn't realize he was right there. Whoa, thermals.
Really?
Back there, yeah. I gained like 10 feet altitude. Right where you are now. Yeah. Okay. Let's climb up to get out of Jack's way. And once he's down, we'll go like nuts. Right there. See it?
Oh, it jumped up.
Right there. See? Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah. Shot me up big time. My throttle's off.
We're going to tell Max about that one.
Throttle!
Alright, ready? Oh,
I was there, not now, not anymore. There it is, I feel it. That's the thermal right now. What? What do you mean? Come on, I'm waiting for you.
I'm trying to...
Told you I'm a good runner. I told you I'm good at running. So you follow me for a little bit and then I'll follow you.
You follow... I'm not a really good guy.
No, I said you follow me. Come on.
Oh, come on.
Come on.
I can't get you.
I'll let you get close.
Let's slow down a little so I can...
That's slow. I'm below half. You're supposed to be behind me. What the heck?
No, I'm trying to... Oh, wait, let's get away from that.
I'm just gonna fly steady, but you're way the hell over there.
I'm trying to catch on. After a while, you just gotta follow me.
I'm trying to see if you... Oh, big thermal, holy crap. Again. That's why I said I'm good at avoiding. Whoa, that was close. Okay, forget it, I'm on you now.
Okay.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
See how hard it is?
No, I know. I've done this a lot. I used to do this in Baylands all the time. No, we're too far out, get close. I'll stay behind you though. Whoa! That was a wow.
Come on! It's so hard, and when you don't want to hit, you hit.
Wait, but have you... Okay, so that's why I say we just do close formation and then... Come on, come on. Come on, go, come on. You just got to be patient. It takes time. And then we'll get used to flying together and then we'll start getting closer. Because making drastic moves is the worst thing to do.
If we don't hit... Come on! Alright, that's it. I'm going all out. Let's do it over the run. Like,
we got to be out here, yeah.
I think let's form formation and once we do it. Alright. Come back around. I'll go really slow.
Just go slow and stick to what you're doing and I'll come to you.
And then you just come, we'll go like
I think Nick wants to fly. Nick wants to fly. So stick to a slow formation and then I'll stay to the outside of your turn. Don't hit out there though, we're too far out.
Yeah. We're like 1 minute.
Time remaining 21
Yeah,
seconds.
we're pretty much done. What?
Oh!
What?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Time
come on.
expired.
Better have another battery charge.
No, I don't.
Can you charge it?
I-
This is it? Alright, fine.
No, we're good. Go, go.
Okay, let's
You're
get
just
low.
not
One more
patient
pass.
enough.
I know.
You're not
Okay,
patient
fine.
enough.
Slow down. I'm gonna come behind you. We'll do a pass.
I'm not, you're not coming behind me. We gotta go. We gotta do formation. You keep
Alright, yeah.
freaking out before we can do anything. I heard
How's
Mustang.
that?
There.
Slow it down.
Ah! Oh.
One more pass. Let's just keep it flowing.
We gotta get. Nick wants to fly, so let's hurry up and get.
Alright, Nick, we're almost done. Don't worry. I'm just gonna go down the runway. Come on! Oh, I think I felt you.
That's it. I gotta come in. I'm already over.
Alright, landing.
1 minute over.
That low key scooted me.
And I just did it.
Okay. Whew. Ow! 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 Is that Frank really?